Hello everyone, we are back with a new video. This video is around AI hallucinations. I'm assuming now everyone in tech world must be using AI, and we are hearing a term called AI hallucinations a lot. So let's talk about what are AI hallucinations. Okay, so imagine you are talking to a friend who is incredibly smart, but they have been 48 awake 48 hours straight. What would they do? They might start telling you stories that sound 100% real, but they actually doesn't happen. Okay, this is what actually happens with AI, and we call this as a hallucination. So in simple terms, a hallucination is when AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, Cloud generates an answer that is factually wrong but sounds perfectly logical. Okay, it's not a bug or a broken computer, it's fundamental part of how AI works. Okay, it's essentially we can call it a digital dream that AI mistakes for reality. Okay, okay. So we can also call AI the confident liar. Okay, so I can tell you many examples when I was using GPT for code purpose and multiple models, and every time it gives me the solution, it's like, yes, this is the perfect solution, this is the ultimate fix, and it turns out to be not, it turns out to be wrong. So whenever AI generates an answer, it's very confident that it's right, but sometimes it's true, sometimes it's not true, because AI are trained to be confident to help you. The biggest problem with AI isn't that it gets things wrong, but how confident it is. Okay, when as a human we are not sure, we might say I think or I'm not sure, but AI doesn't have a doubt. AI, if AI is responding to you, that AI is confident whether AI is correct or wrong. Okay, if you ask an AI for a legal case or a medical study that does not exist, it will not say I can't find it. Instead, it will create a fake title, fake author, and fake stories. Although now AIs are getting better and better, so hallucinations will definitely reduce, and they are reducing as compared to 2-3 years back. But still, AI can hallucinate. Okay, and this has happened. This confidence when why AI lies, this comes from the way AIs are programmed. They are programmed to be helpful, so it would rather make up a lie without giving you an answer. Okay, so AI feels I should give you an answer instead of not helping you. Okay, okay. So that title is a bit funny. Autocomplete on steroids. Okay, so basically, why does this happens? So the AI, the LLMs that we work with are mainly text generation models. So their task is to autocomplete. So they are not answering your query. Basically, they are answering query, but the way they are doing it, they are not checking a dictionary or a questions. They have answers to. Okay, what is the capital of this? So they don't know. They don't have a question and answer pair with it. Okay, they are generating the text. Okay, so like I said, it is basically an autocomplete. Okay, when you type a message on your phone and it suggests the next word, it's like guessing based on your past habits. Okay, AI does the same thing but with the entire internet on which it is trained generally. Okay, it calculates the probability of next word, although there are multiple parameters you can tune on what basis it would give the results, but more or less everything works on the similar way. Okay, if you ask what is the capital of France, the probability of next word being Paris in 99.9999%. But if you ask a complex question about a small local business, the AI starts guessing words that sounds they likely belong there even if they are wrong. Okay, okay. So moving on, pattern versus reality. Basically, why it happens. Okay, so AI is a pattern matcher and not a fact checker. Okay, it sees the world as a giant map of patterns. For example, if AI have read millions of news articles, it knows that breaking news is usually followed by a city name or and crime. If it gets confused, it might just stick a city name and crime together because that's the pattern AI recognizes. Okay, it's like looking at the cloud and seeing a face. The face isn't actually there, but our brain is so good at finding patterns that it creates one. Right? AI does the same with the data as it sees the pattern of fact and presents it to us, even when the fact is missing. Okay, now there has been, we are talking about hallucination. So there has been the real world cases where this actually happened. Okay, so basically this is not a theory, it actually happened and it has actually caused massive damage. Okay, so like in 2023 there was a fake lawyer case. A lawyer in New York used ChatGPT to write a legal brief. The AI invented 6 completely fake cases. The lawyer submitted them to real judge thinking that they were real. He ended up getting fined and faced the massive blue because he didn't check the facts. He believed the AI blindly. Okay. There was a case, one more case of Air Canada chatbot in 2024. A passenger asked the Air Canada chatbot about a refund policy. The chatbot invented a fake policy on the spot, promising a discount that didn't exist. When the passenger tried to claim it, obviously the airline refused. The passenger sued, and a tribunal forced the airline to pay because the hallucination was legally binding, because the chatbot was on their site, on their app. Okay, so that, and there were many cases you can check. Okay, now at last, what's the way now? What's the way to use AI? Should we not use it? Definitely not. Everyone is using it and we have to use it, to compete, otherwise we will lag behind. Okay, so does this mean AI is useless? Absolutely not. It's a powerful tool for brainstorming, coding, writing emails, but you must follow one golden rule. You should trust AI, but verify it. Never use AI for medical advice, legal document, or deep research without double checking the facts on the trusted or the official websites. Okay, think of AI as a very fast assistant who is occasionally a sleep talker. So 99% AI must be giving real or correct answer, but there is a chance that 1% AI will hallucinate. So they are great to have around, but you should always check their work before you sign your name on it. Okay. If you ever face such situations, please drop in the comments, and please don't forget to share, subscribe my video. Thank you.